Hello students, welcome back to my class. I am Mohammad Asim, your English teacher. Today I am going to teach you the sub-subject honeysuckle. In honeysuckle, the topic that I have chosen today to teach you is the querelle. It is a poem. The querelle is a poem. So today's teaching topic is the querelle. Do you know the meaning of querelle? Who can tell me the meaning of querelle? Is there anybody? Okay? Yes, perhaps you have guessed the meaning of querelle. So let's start. It is common for brothers. It is given first of before the poem. It is given something about the poem. It is given something related to the poem. Let us see those things first. Then I will explain the poem. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? How do they end? It is given before the poem that it is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. It is common. All brothers and sisters quarrel with each other. They fight with each other. This is the common habit of all brothers and sisters. This is the common habit of human beings. Whenever the human beings are in their childhood, they always fight with their brothers and sisters. You tell me, have you ever quarreled with your brother and sister or not? And what type of quarrel was that? Was that a serious quarrel, or was that only a quarrel regarding to your play? Okay? So next it is given, although sometimes they may not even be able to say why they quarrel. Sometimes the brother and sisters are not able to say why are they quarreling. What is the reason of their quarrel? Means they don't know the reason of their quarrel. कभी कभी तो quarrel जो झगड़े होते हैं भाई बहनों के बीच में, उसमें ये भी नहीं पता होता कि वो झगड़ा हो क्यों रहा है. But they started quarreling with each other, with one another. Okay? And but how long do such quarrels last? Tell me, how long जो quarrel last? कितनी देर तक तुम्हारा झगड़ा चलता है? Perhaps only for a little moment here we can say, only for sometimes, only for 15 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour. You tell me, for how many time do you quarrel with your brother or sister? Okay, so how do they end and how do they end? How the quarrel of your brother and sister, how your quarrels ends? Is that you who is going to end the quarrel, or is that your brother or sister who is going to end the quarrel? Tell me. Okay, all of you will try to answer these questions. Okay. Now let us start the poem. First of all, I will read the poem that you can understand the reading. Then I will explain the poem. Okay. So it is, I quarreled with my brother. This is a poem. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another and somehow we fell out. The start of it was right, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another, the afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, oh, come along, we can't go on all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. This is a poem, and the poem is divided into two stanzas. The writer of the poem is Elena Forgian. The poet is, the name of the poet is Elena Forgian. Elena Forgian is the name of the poet. Okay, and the poem is divided into two stanzas. Let us see the first stanza. Okay, first of all, let us see the first stanza. The first one is, I quarreled with my brother, I don't know what about. I quarreled with my brother. One day I started quarreling with my brother, and I don't know what about. But I don't know what about. But I don't know why was I started quarreling with him. एक दिन मेरे भाई से झगड़ा हो गया, लेकिन मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि वो झगड़ा हुआ क्यों. One thing led to another. One thing led to another. One thing started to lead another thing. If we are quarreling, we started the quarrel without knowing it. And when the quarrel started, then one thing led by another thing. हमने झगड़ा शुरू कर दिया, ये भी नहीं पता था कि हमने झगड़ा शुरू किया, लेकिन एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ की जगह लेने लगी, एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ की तरफ बढ़ने लगी. ओके, एंड वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर, एंड समहाउ वी फेल आउट, एंड समहाउ वी फेल आउट, एंड इन दिस वे समहाउ वी फेल आउट, वी फेल आउट, we get into the quarrel because my brother said something to me and then I started to say something to my brother. One thing led to another thing. In this way we started quarreling with each other. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. The start of quarreling was slight. It was very slight, very weak, very small. Slight means you can say weak, small, etc. The start of it was slight. The start of quarrel was slight, was very weak, very small. The point of quarreling was very weak. जो point था झगड़े का वो तो बिल्कुल weak था. But the end of it was strong. The end of quarrel was strong. We started quarreling with each other in strong against each other. We started quarreling each other. हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से झगड़ा करना शुरू कर दिया. And then the end of it was strong. The end of the quarrel was very strong. It was as strong. It was much strong that we were not talking with each other. इतना झगड़ा बढ़ गया कि हमने एक दूसरे से बातें भी करना बंद कर दी. एंड देन ही सेड ही वाज राइट. ही सेड ही वाज राइट. माय ब्रदर टोल्ड मी दैट ही वाज राइट. मेरे भाई ने मुझसे कहा कि नहीं वो तो सही है. मेरा भाई ने कहा कि नहीं मैं तो सही हूँ. ही सेड ही वाज राइट. आई न्यू ही वाज रॉन्ग, बट आई न्यू ही वाज रॉन्ग. But I knew that I was not wrong. Instead, he was wrong. लेकिन मुझे पता था कि मैं wrong नहीं था, मेरी जगह मेरा भाई ही wrong था. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. My brother told me that he was right, but I knew that he was wrong. मेरे ब्रदर ने, मेरे भाई ने मुझसे कहा कि नहीं मैं सही हूँ, लेकिन मुझे पता है कि मेरा ब्रदर रॉन्ग था, वो सही नहीं था. ओके, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेंजा ऑफ द पोएम. नाउ लेट अस सी द नेक्स्ट वन. द नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा इज, वी हेटेड वन अनदर, द आफ्टरनून टर्न ब्लैक. वी हेटेड वन अनदर. नाउ वी स्टार्टेड टू हेट वन अनदर. अब हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से नफरत करना शुरू कर दिया. We hated one another. On that day, we hated one another. उस दिन हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे से नफरत हम दोनों को हो गई. The afternoon turned black. द क्वारल वाज स्टार्टेड इन आफ्टरनून, झगड़ा जो शुरू हुआ था वो दोपहर में हुआ था। एंड टर्न द आफ्टरनून टर्न ब्लैक, नाउ द आफ्टरनून टर्न ब्लैक मीन्स नाउ इट इज़ द टाइम ऑफ इवनिंग, इट इज़ द टाइम ऑफ अर्ली नाइट। दोपहर से झगड़ा शुरू हुआ और शाम हो गई, शाम का अंधेरा होने लगा, रात का अंधेरा धीरे धीरे छाने लगा। द आफ्टरनून टर्न ब्लैक देन सडनली द आफ्टरनून टर्न ब्लैक, दोपहर में हमारा झगड़ा शुरू हुआ और उसके बाद जो है दोपहर से शाम हो गई। एंड वी क्वारल विद ईच अदर, ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम वी हेटेड ईच अदर, और उस दौरान हम दोनों एक दूसरे से नफरत करते रहे। बट देन सडनली माई ब्रदर थम्प्ड, थम्प्ड मतलब स्ट्रोक, थपथपाना, थम्प्ड मी ऑन द बैक, देन सडनली माई ब्रदर केम टू मी इन द इवनिंग एंड ही थम्प्ड ऑन माई बैक। लेकिन अचानक शाम में मेरा भाई मेरे पास आया और उसने मेरी पीठ पर हल्की सी चपत लगा दी, हल्का सा थम्प कर दिया। देन सडनली माई ब्रदर थम्प्ड मी ऑन द बैक एंड सेड, and he said to me and he told me, oh come along, oh come with me, you come with me, we should not quarrel now, we can't go on all night, we can't go on all night, we can't quarrel with each other all night, so let us stop quarreling। इसलिए मेरे भाई ने कहा कि हम पूरी रात अब झगड़ नहीं सकते, एक दूसरे से क्वारल कर नहीं सकते, इसलिए इसको यहीं बंद कर देते हैं। ओ कम अलॉन्ग, वी कांट गो ऑन ऑल नाइट, वी कांट फाइट विद ईच अदर होल नाइट, सो वी शुड एंड आवर क्वारलिंग हियर। आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, ही टोल्ड मी दैट आई वॉज इन द रॉन्ग, माई ब्रदर टोल्ड मी दैट ही वॉज इन द रॉन्ग। मेरे भाई ने कहा कि नहीं ठीक है वो गलत था, सो ही वॉज इन द राइट। सो because he had accepted his mistake, that's why he was right, क्योंकि उसने अपनी गलती मान ली थी, और जब इंसान अपनी गलती मान लेता है तो वो सही होता है। ओके, सो I was in the wrong, my brother told me that he was in the wrong, so he was in the right, that's why I think he was in the right, because he has accepted his mistake। ओके, अगर कोई अपनी गलती मान लेता है, हमसे कोई गलती हो जाए, उस गलती को अगर हम मान लेते हैं तो वहाँ पर हम क्या हो जाते हैं, सही हो जाते हैं। तो हमें ये चाहिए कि अगर कोई गलती हमसे हो जाए तो हमें उस गलती को जो है मान लेना चाहिए। दिस इज़ द मेन थीम ऑफ द पोएम। सो दिस इज़ द पोएम क्वारल, दिस इज़ द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ द पोएम क्वारल। नाउ लेट अस सी something that is given in the exercise on page number 40. First of all, it is given walking with the poem with your partner, try to guess the meaning of the underlined phrases. Who can tell me the meaning of these phrases? Number 1, and somehow we fell out. What is the meaning of fell out? Who can tell me the meaning of fell out? Is there anybody? Is there anybody who can? Okay, now I am going to tell you the meaning of fell out. The meaning of fell out is started quarreling. The meaning of fell out is started quarreling. Now the second one is the afternoon turned black. What is the meaning of turned black? I have told you just now in the explanation of the poem. So who can tell me the meaning of turned black according to the poem? So try to answer the question. Okay, now I am going to tell you the meaning of turned black. The meaning of turned black is night came. As I told you, they started quarreling in the afternoon and they ended their quarreling in the night. Okay, so here the meaning of turned black is night came. Now let us see the second one. read these lines from the poem and then discuss with your partner what these lines mean. First one thing led to another. Who can tell me about this line? One thing led to another. Is there anybody? It means one thing led to another means they started to discuss the things that were against themselves. जो उनके अगेंस्ट चीज़ें थी उसको जो है वो डिस्कस करने लगे. वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर, एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ को लीड करने लगी. इसका मतलब ये है, आप लोगों ने देखा भी होगा जब किसी से क्वेलिंग होती है तो एक बात सामने वाला कहता है तो उसके सामने वाला उसकी जगह एक दूसरी बात कहता है. जब वो दूसरी बात कहता है तो सामने वाला जो होता है वो तीसरी बात कहता है. तो इस तरह से एक चीज़ दूसरी चीज़ को जो है लीड करते चले जाते हैं. सो इन द क्वेलिंग one thing led to another. In the same way, my brother and I also started quarreling with each other, and in the quarrel one thing led to another. We started to tell the things that were happened with us earlier in our life. Now come to the next one. Second one is the start of it was slight. The start of it was slight. Which start? Who can tell me which start was slight? It means here the quarrel. The start of quarrel was slight. Slight means weak, very small. The start of the quarrel was very weak, very small. There was not any big matter for that quarreling. उस क्वेरल के लिए कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं था, कोई बिग मैटर नहीं था. बट देयर वाज अ स्लाइट, बट देयर वाज अ हियर कैन से स्लाइट थिंग ऑन विच वी स्टार्टेड क्वेरलिंग विद ईच अदर. एक छोटी सी बात थी, छोटी सी चीज़ थी जिस पर हमने झगड़ा शुरू कर दिया. सो द स्टार्ट ऑफ इट वॉज स्लाइट. द स्टार्ट ऑफ क्वेरलिंग वॉज स्लाइट, वॉज वेरी स्मॉल. नाउ द थर्ड वन इज the end of it was strong. The end of it, here it is also used for quarreling. Here also it is used for quarreling. And the end of it was strong. The end of quarreling was very strong. First of all, it was very slight. ये बहुत मामूली सा था, जो झगड़ा था बिल्कुल मामूली था. But in the end it was very strong. लेकिन अंत में ये बहुत बड़ा हो गया. The quarreling was grown high. क्वेलिंग क्या है? द क्वेलिंग ग्रीव हाई. क्वेलिंग जो है बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गई. एंड द एंड ऑफ इट वॉज स्ट्रांग. द एंड ऑफ द क्वेलिंग, द एंड ऑफ द क्वेलिंग वॉज वेरी स्ट्रांग. द एंड ऑफ द क्वेरल ऑफ मी एंड माई ब्रदर वॉज वेरी स्ट्रांग. मेरे और मेरे भाई के बीच में जो झगड़ा था वो बहुत स्ट्रांग हो गया अंत में आकर. नेक्स्ट फोर्थ वन इज the afternoon turned black. The afternoon turned black. Who can tell me about this line? Is there anybody? Okay, the afternoon turned black. It means the afternoon they started the quarreling in afternoon. दोपहर बाद ही उनका जो है क्वेलिंग, उनके झगड़े शुरू हो गए थे. बट दे इस कंटिन्यूड दियर क्वेरल टिल नाइट. लेकिन उन्होंने अपने झगड़े को रात तक जारी रखा. दे स्टार्टेड दियर क्वेरलिंग, दे स्टार्टेड दियर क्वेरल इन आफ्टरनून एंड इट वाज एंडेड इन द नाइट. उनका झगड़ा जो शुरू हुआ था वो दोपहर बाद ही शुरू हो गया था, लेकिन उनका झगड़ा जो जा करके रात में ख़त्म हुआ. सो द आफ्टरनून टर्न्ड ब्लैक. Now the fifth one is thumped me on the back. Thumped me on the back. मेरी पीठ पर थपथपाना. The meaning of it is thumped back on the back, on my back. But in the end, when my brother saw that we are not going to stop quarreling on that, he thought, and he also told me that we couldn't continue the quarrel whole night. That's why he came to me and thumped on my back and told me that we can't continue this quarrel all night. The third one is, describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? How did it end? So question number 3 is to do by yourself. Describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother, sister or friend. If you have had any quarrel with your brother, sister or friend, you have to describe that quarrel. Okay, so you describe that quarrel and you can write or you can record about that quarrel and you can send it to me. How did it start? You will tell how did it start, how did your quarrel started, how did your quarrel start and what did you quarrel about and what did you quarrel about, what is for what did you quarrel, किस लिए तुमने झगड़ा शुरू किया था ये भी बताना है, and how did it end and how did your quarrel ended. You will have to tell all these things. How did your quarrel start, how did you quarrel about, what did you quarrel about and how did it end. So you will tell these things. You will try to write a record by yourself any of the quarrel that you had with your brother, sister or friend. So you will record those things or you will write about that thing, that quarrel and you will send to me. Okay, now this poem, the quarrel, is completed. So for today my class is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.